Hi, this is Gwen Fox, and welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, because we would love to have you. Now, I have a question for you, and that is, when you're in the middle of a painting, what questions do you ask? Or do you even ask questions? But if you are to ask questions, what are they? And those are the questions. That's the question we're going to answer. I'm going to tell you the questions to ask. Hi, I'm Gwen Fox, and I'm an artist, an art coach, and a teacher of the mind creativity connection. This is where you learn more than the elements and the principles of design and how to mix colors so you don't get mud. Now, the difference between me and other artists is that I teach how you connect the mind and your creativity so that you can go deep into your creativity and paint from the heart and from the soul, which makes you stand out from all the other people, all the other artists in the world. Now, today is the second phase of this painting. It's a 48 by 48. It's an oil painting. And right now it's a mess, but that's how paintings are at this stage. So up until now, we've selected our palette. We know what the painting is going to say. Is it going to be calm or is it going to be energetic? We made those decisions. And now we're in the middle of the mess. It's kind of called messy middle, right? It's right. We stand back. Guys, you've got to stand back in order to really see your mistakes. Stand back. and relax. Don't make too big of judgments. All right, now we are at question time. Where is the center of interest? Are your shapes taking you there, or do you have shapes in this one? I don't think I have any shapes. What's going on? Are you pleased with the colors? Are you pleased with how they're interacting with each other? And where do you think the painting stands in your mind? Where do you think the painting stands? Now we're really going to step back. Now we're really going to say, is it holding together? What is wrong with this painting? What is right with this painting? And this is about the time that I take a picture. I put it, I have a Mac, I put it in iPhoto, I look at it, shows me immediately, oh my gosh, I've got two white spots, I've got two white shapes, right there on each side of the canvas. Not going to work. All right, we've reached the point where I'm going to take a rest. The painting is going to take a rest. Is it done? No. There are things that are wrong with it. You know it, I know it, but I want you to point them out to me because I want to sharpen your mind so that when you look at your paintings, it's going to make a big difference. So put in the comments what you think is wrong, what you think is right. If you like this, as I say, is it done? And it won't be done for a while because I want it to sit. I want to look at it. The last thing I want to do is to put on 800 strokes and hope something will happen because I don't know what it needs. But if I sit back, have a cup of tea, look at it the next day, look at it next week, whatever, and I will find out exactly what it needs, and it'll go into a finished painting. Now, I promise you, I will show you this as a finished painting, but not in this video, because it's got to sit for a while. This is the process. So, I love you, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.